With the increasing desire to build factor of legacy for your family, Australia, the country, is very attractive option specifically for professionals in the domain of engineering. As an ever-growing industry, engineering plays an integral role in most industries today. Along with number of specialization offered like civil, mechanical, telecommunication, robotics, IT, and many more, the scope for an engineering professional has never been better, specifically in Australia in terms of skill independent worker. I'm Nitin Baghel, associated with Winnie Immigration as an immigration advisor, and I'm going to give you an exact overview about in-demand engineering occupation with current state requirement, rate of compensation, and the most important factor which persuades candidates to take the initial step, that is scope for engineering in Australia. Talking specifically about professionals from engineering discipline, demand is high for candidates with experience as civil, mechanical, motor. They do have a huge demand for welding engineers as well. If you are a petroleum engineer, Perth demands you to a coal level. Mining engineers, I can count a lot of them for you. You have got electrical, followed by computer, electronics, a huge number of telecommunication, chemical, mechatronics materials have also been witnessed in the recent few days in terms of demand list. In terms of employment by state and territories in percentage, New South Wales is on top, generating 31.6% of civil employment in Australia by prioritizing civil engineers of them the most, with followed by 25.6% Victoria offering employment to IT, electronic and electrical engineers, followed by 20% Queensland to mining, oil and gas plant operators and engineers, rest by 20% approximately combined by 5 states and territory. Next, the most motivating factor which persuades all the aspirants is the rate of compensation. Now, on an average, 1,900 Australian dollars to $2,900 is the weekly earning of professionals coming from engineering background. Speaking of chemical, material, gas and petroleum engineers could draw a salary of 30,000 Australian dollars as well per week. Now, they do have a slight edge in terms of compensation, combines the other occupations in demand. Now, the respective figure could differ upon location and obviously your skills. In fact, in aspects of scope and growth, the number of people working as mechanical and civil mining grew very strongly over 5 years, from 1,05,600 approximately in 2014 to 1,95,000 in 2019. Further, talking about structure, oil and petroleum, electronic and electrical, the number grew very strongly over the past 5 years. That is expected to grow over the next coming 5 years with a job opening of 30,000 by 2023. This is like 10,000 in a year. Now, over 4,000 job vacancies were posted on an average in June 2020 alone via authorized newspaper, a report by Engineers Australia. To sum it up, I hope that with the insights provided, I was able to express the fact that engineers who are looking forward to settle with your entire family, it could never be a better time to get started with the procedure than this. For any further information, I request you to please reach us at info@winniegroup.com or please contact us at 1800 419 3242. Thank you so much.